It is now time to start gathering images for your PowerPoint presentation. So you need to open up the document that you picked up earlier called Citing Sources. You're going to go ahead and fill this out, and so what I did is I started the process and I went ahead and typed in what I'm going to be searching for on the internet. After I grab the image and save it, I am going to type in the image source. So let's go ahead and start that process. So I like to use a site called Flickr because they're copyright friendly sources. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Flickr. Unfortunately, it's blocked at many schools, but I will show you how you can use this if you want to use copyright friendly images for educational purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in Italian food. And when I click on that search, you want to click on where it says Advanced Search. Go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to click on Only Search Within Creative Commons. And then you might want to choose Find Content to modify, and then you search. And this doesn't guarantee that it's still safe to use. So if I were to actually publish this on YouTube, it would be safe because a lot of these people are giving permission if it's for educational purposes and you're not going to make profit off of it. So I'm going to go ahead and search through these to see what I want to use for my PowerPoint presentation. When using Italian food as my search, it wasn't giving me the images I wanted, so I went ahead and typed in pasta in the search. I still have to revisit advanced search and make sure I click these options below under Creative Commons, and now I'll search again. So I finally found an image that I want to use for my project. So you click on the image, and what you want to do is you want to right click, and you have choices. I'm going to choose medium because I don't really need a really large one. And notice it shows the rights reserved. That little symbol there means that you need to give credit to the image source. The dollar sign with the cross going through it means you can't use it for profit. So I'll go ahead and click on medium, and then I'll go ahead and right click Save Picture As or Save Image As, and then I'll locate the folder where the images are. You guys should have a PowerPoint folder already. If not, we can create one. I'm going to create a folder in a safe location, and I'll go ahead and call it About Me or PowerPoint. Then I'll go ahead and open that folder, and I'll rename the image Pasta, and I'll click Save, and I'm ready to get more images. Now, if you're just doing a Google search, Google image search, and you want to look for pasta, choose images, of course, and then make sure you're safe. So I'm going to go ahead, and I need to blow up this window so you can see what's going on. You need to click on Safe Search. Make sure it's strict. You want to be safe when you search images. So I'll type in pasta with that strict safe search. And if you see something that you think might be inappropriate, just skim through that or revise your search if you're running into inappropriate images. Now what you want to do is you might choose to get large images to guarantee quality for this project. Notice how I clicked on that over the sizes. I picked large. When you find an image that you want, go ahead and click on that image, and then you're going to go ahead and right click Save Image As, and then locate the folder. If I were to use this image, I would go ahead and grab that text because that's who I'm going to credit on my citing information. I don't want to see the entire URL, so please don't go to the website for the image and grab www and copy that. I just want the bare minimum in that image right there. So you would just go ahead and copy that. You would go to your citing information and you would go ahead and do Control V or paste or whatever, and now you will cite that image source later in your PowerPoint presentation. Now if you're using Flickr, let me show you who you need to credit. Here is who I would credit. So I would grab my citing image sources, and I would go ahead and type that name in so that I can credit this person later. This concludes the session on gathering the images for your presentation. The next step is going to demonstrate how to actually add those images into interesting auto shapes onto your PowerPoint presentation. Until next time, you have a fabulous day.